I'm really excited to show you this air cooler fan. I bought it for outside on our deck, but it actually works inside. And I know you can actually see that coming out. That's on a lower setting. We can bump it up. We can bump up the fan speed. We can tilt the fan. We can change the color of the light inside. So it works great for a bedroom night light or outside as a lantern. There's a timer on it. It's really easy to operate, and a really cool feature here is that there is a pad inside that you can soak with any sort of perfume or essential oil. We actually like to put some peppermint on it and have it going outside as it deters the bugs. This is actually a great way to cool an area when you're in relatively close contact with the fan without having to set up a whole air conditioning unit.